Accidentally added someone on Snap? No stress. Canceling a friend request is super easy. Here's how to undo it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your Android or iPhone now. Tap your Bitmoji or profile picture in the top left corner to go to your profile. Scroll down to the Friends section and tap on Added Friends. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Friends I've recently added. Now you'll see a list of people you recently sent friend requests to. Find the name you want to cancel the request for. Tap and hold on their name. A menu will pop up. Tap on Manage Friendship. Finally, tap Remove Friend and confirm by tapping Remove. That's it. Your friend request is now canceled. They won't be notified, and the request disappears completely. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Snapchat and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.